If you want to move crypto from a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet over to your Binance account, here's how to do it without any confusion. First, log into Binance. Once you're in, head to the wallet section and look for the deposit option. Click that, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, like ETH, BNB, or whatever you're sending. Binance will give you a wallet address for that coin. Copy that address carefully. Now, open your Web3 wallet. It works pretty much the same with Trust Wallet. Select the crypto you're sending, hit send, and then paste in the Binance wallet address you copied earlier. Before you send it, double check two things: the address and the network. They both need to be exactly right. For example, if you're sending ETH, make sure you're using the Ethereum network on both MetaMask and Binance, not BNB chain or another network. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. After a short wait, depending on network traffic, your crypto should show up in your Binance wallet. Be patient if it takes a few minutes. Extra tips: always double check the transaction fee before sending, especially on Ethereum, as high gas fees can apply. Keep a small test transfer first if you're sending a large amount. This avoids mistakes and ensures your funds arrive safely. Avoid copying addresses from emails or social media links to prevent scams. Also, make sure your wallets are updated to the latest version to avoid bugs. Keep your private keys and seed phrases secure, never share them, and enable two-factor authentication on Binance for extra protection. Monitoring the transaction history helps you track every step and ensures your funds reach their destination safely. Always label your wallets or note the transaction purpose to stay organized and prevent confusion when managing multiple transfers.